Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of photography and videography with a detailed review of the Canon EOS RP full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera kit, featuring the RF24 to 105mm lens. We found this fantastic product online, and we've added the link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Canon EOS RP? This compact and lightweight mirrorless camera is designed for both photography enthusiasts and professionals who need a high-quality yet portable solution for their shooting needs. The EOS RP features a full-frame sensor, which means it captures stunning images with excellent detail and dynamic range. This camera is particularly appealing for those who want to take high-quality shots without the bulk of traditional DSLR cameras. Let's take a closer look at some of its standout features. First and foremost, the RF24 to 105mm lens included in this kit offers a versatile zoom range, making it ideal for various photography styles, from landscapes to portraits. The lens is equipped with optical image stabilization that provides up to 5 stops of shake correction. This is especially beneficial for handheld shooting, allowing you to capture sharp images even in challenging lighting conditions. Another highlight is the camera's impressive autofocus capabilities. With a maximum magnification of 0.4x and a minimum focusing distance of 0.66 feet in autofocus mode, you can easily capture close-up shots with precision. If you switch to center focus macro mode, that magnification increases to 0.5x with a minimum focusing distance of just 0.43 feet, making this camera a great choice for macro photography as well. The EOS RP also excels in video production, offering 4K UHD video capture at 2160p resolution. This makes it an excellent option for vloggers and content creators who want to produce high-quality video content. Plus, with EOS Utility Webcam Beta software available for both Mac and Windows, you can easily turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. This is a game-changer for anyone looking to enhance their live streaming or video conferencing experience. Now, who is this camera suitable for? The Canon EOS RP is perfect for a wide range of users. Beginners will appreciate its user-friendly interface and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around and shoot. Intermediate photographers will find the full-frame capabilities and advanced features a significant upgrade, while professionals will love the versatility and quality it brings to their work. It's a great all-rounder for anyone from travel photographers to vloggers and even those just looking to elevate their Instagram game. When it comes to practical use cases, the Canon EOS RP shines in many scenarios. If you're a traveler, its compact size means you can easily slip it into your bag without weighing yourself down. For vloggers, the ability to shoot in 4K and use it as a webcam makes it a fantastic tool for creating engaging content. And for portrait photographers, the RF lens allows for beautiful bokeh effects and sharp subject focus. In summary, the Canon EOS RP is a versatile, compact, and high-quality camera kit that caters to a variety of photography and videography needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its advanced features and lightweight design will help you capture stunning images and videos effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.